This is my faux bang hair tutorial. Check it out. Sometimes I really want a bang, but I don't want to cut my hair. So I actually do a faux bang where I have a full-on bang and I have my hair up in a bun and it looks legitimately like I cut my hair, like I did a bang, without actually doing that. So it allows me to play with it, see if I really want to cut my hair or not, and just gives me everything I want in a bang. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first step to really doing your faux bang is to figure out where you want it to start and where you want it to end, and also just how full you want it to be. So kind of going a little bit further back in your hair is going to give you more of that fullness, but it's also going to help when you hide it with a bun. So I'm just going to kind of estimate where I get it from. That looks about good. Okay, that's a bit better. From there, I'm just gonna put everything back so it's not in the way. And I'm just gonna wet this a little bit so it's easier for me to work with and get rid of any parting that I have. Okay, now I'm just gonna kind of roll it up and get this out the way, because this is going to be where our bang is. But before we could set it up, I just need to figure out where the rest of my hair, where my bun is going to go. So I'm going to just take this part, kind of brush it up to where I want it to be, where I want that bun to go. Okay, and I want it to go as close to this part right here because that's where we're gonna tie everything in. Let me just fix that part up. Take a scrunchie, and I'm not gonna make a bun, I'm just going to put it in a high ponytail for right now. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my hair, which is a little wet, so it's good. And I'm going to kind of just put it back like this until I get to the length that I want it to be. So I kind of want it to be at that length. Then I'll take 2 bobby pins and I'll just pin them in place right at that edge. Just make sure I get it all placed right there. And I'll just like out. And then I just take everything and I kind of just do a very messy bun like that. And there you have it. This is kind of just a thin, messy faux bang, but of course, depending on how full you want your bang also depends on how much hair you're going to grab. You do not have to do your part in a triangle. Of course, a triangle does make it easier, but you could do it in a square, which allows you to make this fuller. You can also adjust how long you want it to be, if you want the lengths to be longer on the side or shorter in the middle. But for the most part, it's gonna come out like this, where as you can see, it kind of looks like I naturally just have a bang there. I did mine a little bit sparse because I didn't want it to be too thick, too heavy. just to kind of match my hair, my curls. But you can also curl this up if you want. You can make any length that you want. But it is a little cute faux bang that you can adjust to your liking. So if you do really want to cut your hair and get a bang, this allows you to see how you want it. Whether you want it up to this length, to your eyebrows, whether you want it slightly above, a little bit longer, how full you want it, if you want it to just be blunt, or if you want kind of like a curve. This allows you to try a bang for a day or a couple of days and really just figure out what you want without actually cutting your hair. So let me know what you think. Let me know if bangs are for you, if they're not, if this trick works for you. But yeah, I hope you have a banging day, and thank you. I want a fake bang.